Okay, so there's a plane in the distance there. Oh baby rock, oh baby rock, oh baby rock. Oh baby, rock and roll is here to stay. It will never die. It was meant to be that way. No, I don't know why. I don't care what people say. Rock and roll is here to stay. Don't care what people say. Rock and roll is here to stay. Rock and roll will always be. I dig it to the end. It'll go down in history. Just you watch, my friend. Rock and roll will always be. It'll go down in history. Rock. Okay, so we're closing in on the London Air Show. Any planes in that direction? That direction? Oh, there's one in the distance there. You can follow through with right feet land. Follow through with an elbow swing. Grab a signature hook. Wrap your partner with all his might. Hit him in the head. Hit him again. Hit him again. The critter is dead. Okay. That one's just like going in circles, man. That pilot's actually pretty astounding. What that guy's doing is pretty cool, man. The boys are back in town. I'm trying to follow this plane in the air. It's doing some weird things. I'm telling you, that pilot that's flying that plane, he's a pretty decent pilot, man. Twisting and turning, and he's just motoring. At the same time, he slows down to take the turns. See if I can't follow him. See if he comes back this way. Okay, anyways, but we're closing in on the London Air Show. See what we can see. Have a bit of fun, you know? Right? Isn't that what life is all about? Having fun? Oh, look at that. Let's see if we can't follow this guy. Okay. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, did he go to heaven? Oh, come on. He disappeared into the sky. Oh, it's a bird. It's a plane. It's a 747 coming out of the sky. Yeah, yeah. All right, he's above the clouds. Yeah, I can't see him. He's above the clouds. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. That's a pretty decent pilot. Anyone over there too? No? Okay. Alright. Yeah, I can't get a close-up view of this guy, but he's pretty good. I had a close-up view, but I didn't have my phone on. Let's see if he comes back this way before I go into the airport. Right? Right? Yeah. All right, Boston, we got a little workout. Come on, come on. Come on, London, we got a little workout. There she is again over there by the working machine 2 times. Looking like a model on the cover of a magazine. Too damn hot to be a minute over 17. Have mercy. This is Bob Seger, 9 to 9. I'm singing the album 9 to 9 while I'm watching the air show in London, Ontario, Canada. She's doing Let It Rock. There she is again, rolling about the record machine 3 times. Looking like a model on the cover of a magazine 3 more. Woo! Too damn hot to be a minute over 17. Have mercy. I like this pilot, man. This guy's cool. This guy in this black plane. Not easy to get a close-up view of the guy, but... Come on, Queenie! Let's shake it! We're gonna go all the way tonight. We're gonna go all the way tonight's tonight. Okay, now we've switched turns to Meatloaf. Oh, there he goes. I like this guy. Here we go. We got a real pressure cooker going on. Nobody on. Okay. That's a line shot up in the middle. Look at him go. This boy can really fly. He's rounding first and really turning on now. He's not letting him at all. He's getting a shot for second. The ball is wild out. The throw. And here comes the throw. And what a throw. He's gonna slide in head first. He's out. No, wait, safe at second base. This kid really makes things happen out there. Okay, batter steps up to the plate. Here's the pitch, and he's going, and what a jump he's got. He's trying for third, and it's in the dirt, safe at third. Holy cow, stolen base. He's taking a pretty big lead out there, almost daring him to try and pick him off. And it's bunted down the third baseline. The suicide squeeze is on. Here he comes. Squeeze base. It's going to be close. Here's the throw. Here's the play at the plate. Holy cow, I think he's going to make it. Stop right there. Do. Okay, so. All right. Oh, look. As Eddie and my friend. Satan's coming round the bend. People running 'cause they're scared. Oh, scared of airplanes? People better go and beware. No, please, no. Okay, now I'm singing Ozzy. Black Sabbath. The tune, the very first song Ozzy did. Okay. Oh, look at him go. Has he got a time machine or something? See if we can't get one more view of that black plane before we go into the place that supersedes the speed of sound. The London International Airport. Space-time continuum superseded. Ooh. That's Ozzy. Okay. So that was the first video that I've done today on the International Airport. I hope you enjoyed it. Now, let's go in and have some fun.